Hello, and welcome to Hack2 Secure's program on Owasp Top 10 Web Application Security Risk. This quick video is a part of main course, and is edited to showcase how we will be exploring involved security concepts in the simplest way possible. This section, you will experience how to manipulate SQL query and inject it to bypass authentication check in a typical login form. Consider a simple login page, where username and password are required as input. From SQL Prospect, this is how a typical SQL query would be formed with respect to login form, at server end. Now, if user-provided input is directly called in the query, then attacker can manipulate placed logics by using some logical sequence of characters. Let's understand this more in detail. We can see two logics are placed in a query statement. First, all user input are called under single quote, and second, AND operator is used, which ensures both username and password fields are matched before authenticating user. If either of the logic is not satisfied, error is reported. In order to bypass authentication check here, we need to bypass or address both logical checks. Now, as an attacker, we control input fields. From username field, we know one single quote would be placed by default before appending user input. So, if we place one more single quote as input, it will make username field as blank. Since AND is placed as logical operator, ensuring next field is also mandatorily checked. We can bypass this by placing OR as an operator in user input, which says, if either of fields matches, logic check is completed. But we don't know about passwords also. So, we can place 1 equal to 1 as input, which is always a true condition. Here, we have satisfied logical check of username password fields. But we also have other fields placed by default in SQL query. We need to ensure these are also addressed. In SQL, we can place 2 hyphen and a space, which states everything after that is a comment, and parser should ignore this. So, complete query will be something like this, where we are telling SQL interpreter that either match username is blank, or 1 equal to 1, which is always true. Further, ignore everything after that as a comment section. If we place this input as username, password field is not important, as per our logic, it is not even touched. We can place some random string or can simply leave it blank. When this query is parsed, you will be logged in as first user of table, which is usually admin or root user. We hope you have enjoyed this demo video. Enroll now to explore more. Thank you.